Obtain equivalent capacitance of the following network of the capacitors. If this is connected to a 300 volt supply, determine the charge and voltage across each capacitor. As you are seeing here, this is the network of capacitors. So students, पहले इसको इंस्पेक्ट कीजिए और इसके इंस्पेक्शन से क्लियर है कि C2 और C3 सीरीज में है. Now we can form circuit like this also. You stretch it from here. So this is clear that C4 is in series with this. Now C2 and C3 are in series. C2 is 200 picofarad, C3 is 200 picofarad. So its equivalent will be equal to 100 picofarad, because when we apply the formula for equivalent capacitance, 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon 200 plus 1 upon 200. So this is 100 picofarad. Now this 100 picofarad equivalent of this is in parallel with this C1, this 100 picofarad. So our network reduces to this. 100 and 100 picofarad are in parallel, so their equivalent is 200. Now 200 and 100, this 100 are in series, so their equivalent is 200 upon 3 picofarad. By the formula 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 200. So C is equal to 200 upon 3 picofarad. So this is the equivalent capacitance of this network. Now we have to calculate charge on each capacitor. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जो इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस आई है वो 300 वोल्ट के क्रॉस इसकी प्लेट्स को कनेक्ट किया गया है. तो इक्विवेलेंट में चार्ज कितना वो कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो Q इज इक्वल टू सी इक्विवेलेंट इंटू वी. दिस इज इक्वल टू 200 अपॉन 3 इंटू 10⁻12 फैरेड, बिकॉज 1 पिकोफैरेड is equal to, this is farad, 10⁻12 farad multiplied by 300. So this is equal to 2 into 10⁻8 कूलम. C is for कूलम. अब हम सर्किट को फिर से जैसे इक्विवेलेंट फाइंड किया था वैसे सर्किट को फिर रिजॉल्व करना शुरू करते हैं. ये इक्विवेलेंट हमें कहाँ से मिला था, 100 पिकोफैरेड और 200 पिकोफैरेड जब सीरीज़ में थे, और हमें पता है कि सीरीज़ में वही चार्ज होता है जो इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटर में चार्ज होता है. तो इस 100 पिकोफैरेड और इस 200 पिकोफैरेड में भी चार्ज कितना होगा, 2 इंटू 10⁻8 कूलम, एंड चार्ज ऑन दिस 2 इंटू 10⁻8 कूलम. अब ये 200 हमें कैसे मिला था, 100 पिकोफैरेड जब पैरेलल में लगे थे. अब सिंस both the capacitors are of same value, so this Q will divide into two parts in the ratio of their capacitance. Ratio of their capacitance is 1:1. So Q will divide into two parts. Q1 is equal to Q by 2 and Q2 is equal to Q by 2. Q1 dash, Q2 dash. So charges on these 100 picofarad are 1.0 into 10⁻8 C and 1.0 into 10⁻8 C, and charge on this 100 picofarad is Q, which is equal to 2 into 10⁻8 C. Now this is our original network. You divide this 100 picofarad in two parts. 200 picofarad, because our original network is this or this. So this Q2 dash will be same in this 200 picofarad and in this 200 picofarad because they are in series. So this is Q2 dash on this and Q2 dash on this, Q1 dash 100 picofarad on this and Q on this. So this is charge distribution, means charge on each capacitor. So these are the charges. On C4 2 into 10 power minus 8 C, on C1 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 C, on C2 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 C, and on C3 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 C. Now we have to calculate potential difference across each capacitor. This is very easy. We will apply the formula Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q upon C. So potential difference across this C1 100 picofarad. Charge is 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 C. So potential difference across this C1, V1 is equal to Q1 upon C1, which is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 8 C upon 100 into 10 power minus 12 farad, which is equal to 100 volts. So this is potential difference across capacitor C1. Now potential difference across capacitor C2. C2 is 200 picofarad and charge on it is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 8. So this is equal to, put the value 50 volt. Similarly, potential difference across C3, this is also 50 volt, and potential difference across this 100 picofarad C4. Now charge on this is 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. So this V4 is equal to Q upon C4, and this is 200 volt.